Stop by and take a look at the 2017 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear fog light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.